What's going on, everybody? Alex here. Today I have for you techniques or tricks that you should start using to make your editing more efficient, easier and faster for every project. Now let's kick it off by the easiest method to navigate your timeline. For you to move your playhead in the timeline right here, you have to select it and then move it around to the very frame that you want. But what if you would like to speed up the process? Select this option right here of the file and then go down here onto the preferences. Under the editing, you are going to see this option right here that is called cursor jump method. Turn it on and then apply. And now, my friend, your playhead is going to be moved upon your click. Wherever you click, and there shall your playhead appear. Now, I could say this is one of the most important things in this whole video. You know, command clips are not just there for you to combine multiple clips and then apply all the effects together, although that's the primary job for them. But then you can do something that makes you a faster editor in every project. So if you are someone who creates the same kind of introductions, same kind of text animations, same kind of keyframes, same kind of captions, you can always right select, create command clip, save the command clip as a custom, and then you're going to find those things waiting for you in all the future projects. Now, while I'm still there, let me move on to number 3, which is also almost like the command clip, but this time around this is all about the presets. We have the presets options in almost every area of Filmora editing. Like, for example, right here, if you are customizing your title, your text, you have this option right here to save it as a custom, which is a preset. Alright, if you are doing the color grading like in this way right here, you have this other option right here to save that as a custom, which is again a preset. There are other areas as well that you can save presets in Filmora. Let's move on to the 4th one, and this is all about having your files organized. I know this is actually one of the hardest things for a lot of editors right there, because when you are editing, you are speeding up, you are being so fast, organizing things seem to be something that is not worth your time. But what if I told you that it is? Because it's going to save you more hours than you wanted to save by not doing it. Now, the first idea of it, you have to name each and every folder that you create in your media bin. For example, audio, sound effects, video clips, and more, if you have more. But that's not all. The very best idea on this is to use the global media bin. Alright, so under your global media right there, you can add folders and again name them according to what is inside. So in simple terms, the global media allows you to keep files for every project that you edit in that particular PC. Now moving on to number 5, and this is all about customizing your toolbar. Now, all these tools that you're seeing right here can be shifted around and be changed according to the way that you edit, and you can actually customize it your own way. Like for myself right here, I always make sure that whatever I'm editing is right on the center, just below the preview screen. So the tools that I use the most, things like the delete button, the keyframe icon, I make sure that those are pushed right on the middle. So for you to do that, just select this option right here and it's going to show you all the tools for you to customize them. And now you just have to select one and then move it to where you want it. And now the last one, my dear friend, this is actually one of the most important ones. If you're editing a 4K video, in some cases that may slow down your PC. Just go on the file right here and then go to the project setting. Right here you can reduce the project resolution and 30 FPS. Save the setting. After editing your project in this resolution, you can always change the resolution on exporting and then export your video in 4K. Thank you so much for watching this video to this very point, my dear friend. If you like the content, subscribe and share the content. Until I meet you in the next episode. Peace.